Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. On today's show, I'm going to make a baked turkey with a Dijon mustard. It consists of a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, plus apples and onions, some rosemary, salt, pepper. The apples I have to slice up. I'm going to chop them up into bit-sized pieces. I'm going to add some onion in, and if you want, you can add shallots as well. We will want to put in some nutmeg, about 1/8 of a tablespoon, and a couple of tablespoons of honey. We'll use about a 1/2 to a tablespoon of lemon, and we're going to put it on a cookie sheet. We're going to throw it in the oven at about 325 degrees. All the ingredients are here, and I'm just going to put in about a palm of each of these, except for the salt. Go a little easier on the salt. I can always add more later. And the rosemary, I like to do a little bit more and comes out through those little holes. And black pepper. Now Dijon mustard. Now I know what I'm doing here as far as the squirts of this stuff. If you'd like to see the actual ingredients, just go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. And also, too, in the lower right-hand corner is a subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button now, and there's also a bell. If you hit the bell, when I drop a new video, you'll get notified. So let's also put in some honey. Honey is good. And then you want to use some lemon juice. Now I use the cap and overflow it, and that's how I know how much I want. Then I literally take the turkey that I've pre-cooked, and that is what I'm going to put this ingredient in. I'm going to kind of whip this up a little bit. This is what it looks like. There we go. Put that in there with that. Give it a stir. Then I need a couple of apples. Ooh, that's good. Knife. Scraper. Apple tool. Pour that apple like that. Give it a spin. Center comes right out. Then, so slow with apples because they're slippery and they're a little hard to hold on to. No sense being in a hurry with this. Okay. And depending on how many people you're cooking for, if you want 1 or 2, I'm just going to do 1. You get the idea. It's a lot of apple. Now, what's nice about this all being pre-cooked, all I have to do is stir it up, serve it, and we'll see what it looks like. Give it a stir. Now, one thing I did add that wasn't in the original recipe, I put some stovetop stuffing in with it, just because when I make it for me, that's how I like to make it. But the original recipe was just turkey. Gives a little more filling. For us growing boys that like to have a full stomach, it was a quick and easy one. So thanks for joining us. Be sure to come back. And there you go. Well, that's the show for today. Thanks for joining me. Goodbye for now.